It's risky, but I'm gonna say it. This is my no-fail fruit souffle recipe. We need to start with our fruit base. I've got passion fruit puree, a little vanilla. We're gonna put that on a medium heat until it reaches a gentle boil. At this point, we hit it with our sugar and corn flour mix. We're gonna whisk that in, and we're gonna cook it for about a minute until it reaches a boil, and then carry on cooking it. When it's cooked and thickened, we're going to cover the surface with a plastic wrap, chill it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prep your ramekin by brushing soft butter upwards along the inside. Then we add in sugar, swirl it around to coat, and then tip out the excess. Meanwhile, I've whisked up my passion fruit base just to loosen it, and it's still ever so slightly warm. For the meringue base, we whisk egg whites on a medium-low speed until frothy. Once you get to lots of small little bubbles, slowly start adding in your sugar, a tablespoon at a time. After a few minutes of whisking, you should end up with a medium stiff peak. Take 1/3 of meringue and whisk it in to combine. We take the remaining meringue, we're going to fold it in gently in 2 parts just until there are no more streaks of egg white, and we're going to spoon this or pipe it into our souffle dishes. And then take a palette knife and level them very evenly. And they go into the oven to bake. Not only is the recipe simple, but you can basically use any fruit puree. And if you want to take it to another level, try adding some roasted fruits or a compote into the base of that souffle dish before you add the souffle filling, and it adds a lovely texture. After about 12 minutes in the oven, it'll be lightly golden around the outside, well risen, it will have a nice soft texture on the inside.